Generally, you want to have anywhere from 3 to 24 teeth engaged in the material. This may vary depending on the hardness of the material or the shape of the material. I'm David Hall. I want to talk about blade selection. General materials, angle iron, box tubing, any type of structural material that you may have in your everyday fabrication shop would be our IC or interrupted cut blade. There's various tooth pitches available depending on the width of your band. 2x2 angle that's 3/8 thick. Most people use the 4/6 tooth or 3/8 and above. If you have smaller thicknesses, you can step down to the 5/7, or even thinner work pieces, you can go down to our 8/11 pitch. 4x4 box tubing generally has a 3/8 wall, and you would use your 4/6 tooth count in our standard M42 or our IC blade. 4-inch standard channel, you would typically use the 4/6 IC band. On a 6-inch I-beam, I would use a 4/6 IC band. Typically in 4-inch round solid bar, you would use a 3/4 tooth pitch. 8-inch solid bar, I would use a 2/3 tooth pitch. If you need any further information on tooth selection or any other questions concerning sawing, please give us a call.